She's giving scalpiana. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting this video off with no wig, of course, because I'm gonna be doing a wig install today, and I promise you this one is gonna be beginner friendly. So this one is for you guys who are not really comfortable with using actual glue, which is what I usually use majority of the time when I apply my lace glue wigs. When I apply my lace wigs, I usually use glue. And if you want to be able to take your wig on and off, to remove the glue can be a bit of a hassle. I mean, it's not really that hard. I do have a video on how to remove your wigs, but today we're not going to be using any lace glue. We're going to keep this beginner friendly, and I apologize if there's any background noise because I'm using my microphone today. I'm not really doing a voiceover. I might do some voiceover in the video. It can be a little bit noisy in my house. Now I'm going to be using a wig straight out of the box, and I'm going with a highlight wig today. This one is from WowAfrican hair. I don't think I've ever actually worn their wigs before, but I have used their bundles and frontals to make wigs for myself, but I don't think I've ever worn their wigs. I could be wrong. So this is what the wig looks like. Oops, sorry, oh my gosh. Yeah, so this is what the wig looks like. It's highlighted and it came like this with these curls. I mean, I'm gonna fix the curls up so it looks a lot better. But guys, when I tell you the hairline on this wig, I have never seen a pre-made wig like this. This wig is tweezed to perfection. I've done pre-made wigs before that the hairline looks really good and it looks natural, but this is the most natural one I've ever seen. I'm gonna be honest, this hairline actually looks better than when I tweeze them myself. I need to get on this type of level of tweezing. Anywho, I'm gonna pop this wig on my head. So this wig is super snug. It fits really good. My head size is about 21. I think the wig is 21.5, but it has those straps in it that you can adjust to make it fit. But guys, are you seeing this hairline? We're in 4K right now. Like, this hairline, it looks good. Okay, I know it's a little low right now. I need to pull it back because I'm serving no forehead. So pull that back. Okay, I know you can clearly see my ball cap here, but I'm gonna fix that up with some concealer. Now, usually I would do the ball cap method, especially when I'm wearing HD lace wig, because the ball cap method... Who was texting me? Sorry, I have to put my phone on silent, especially when I'm filming videos like this. I keep forgetting to do that. Let's get back into this hairline. Like... She's giving scalpiana, and I did nothing to this. I did absolutely nothing to this wig, and it looks freaking amazing, and I'm here for it. The hairline looks really good. I like how natural it looks. Yes, it does come down a bit low, but that's okay. I'm just gonna cut around it to make sure it works for my head, my forehead. So I'm probably gonna take these pieces out right here. I think I need to take out a little bit more, like that. You see how good that's looking? I'm just gonna kind of twist them out of the way. Okay, I'm gonna cut this. It's just in my way. So as for applying the wig glueless, I'm not gonna just like, you know, slap it on my head and that's it. I need something to keep it down in place because I plan on going out today. I'm about to run some errands. So I'm gonna go in with my scissors and I'm gonna cut the air tabs away first. That's the first thing I'm gonna do. I literally hate doing this. It's literally my least favorite thing to do. I'm gonna use my little scissors and cut it. I'm gonna cut it from over on this side. I obviously have makeup on, and I don't know if you guys know this, but I don't like apply my wigs when I have makeup on already. I prefer to like apply my wigs when there's absolutely nothing on my face, but I was not in the mood to come on here dusty today. I know I come on here dusty sometimes, and I was in the mood for it today. I wanted to look cute. Not that I'm saying I don't look cute without makeup, but you know those days when you just feel dusty? Yeah, that was me. I felt dusty. So I'm going to go grab my makeup wipes, wipe off all my hard work. No, I'm just kidding. Not everything, just like right around this part. Doesn't matter because the wig's gonna cover it anyways. Yeah, so I'm just gonna wipe off all my foundation, all my bronzer. Okay, that should be good enough. And I'm going to be using the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. I don't think I have a tutorial on my channel using this to apply my wig. I usually apply it to do my ball cap method, but on most days I actually wear this with my wigs instead of doing glue when I don't really feel like doing glue. Keep in mind, this is a temporary hold. Bold Hold Liquid Gold is the best glueless lace product on the market. Okay, this is not a glue, it's a glueless product. So if you are a beginner, this is actually really best for you. So I'm just gonna apply this on my forehead area in small sections. Oh my gosh, I should have cut my lace first. Okay, so usually you guys know I like to cut my lace in sections, but I didn't do that. But you know what? I'll survive. I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer on a warm satin. Don't do that. Pull the lace down first. I think that's what you do at least. I was literally applying this like how I apply when I'm using glue. But yes, pull the lace down first and then go in with the blow dryer on a warm setting. Before I go any further with this, I'm gonna cut, guys, I put my wig on wrong. I should have shifted it over a bit, but it doesn't matter because this is not glue. There we go. Lift that bad boy. And since this is not glue, I can easily remove it. Okay, so before you actually glue your wig down, make sure everything is lined up properly. I forgot to do that, so let's try this again. And this time I'm actually just gonna cut the lace. All right, so I'm trying this again, but this time I'm gonna cut the lace in sections, apply the Bold Hold Liquid Gold, spread it across my forehead. Then I'm gonna pull that lace down and I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer and dry it on the warm setting. Okay, so for the Bold Hold Liquid Gold, they recommend doing this in small sections as well. So try to do that instead of applying it all over and then putting your lace on it. All right, so I'm gonna go into voiceover mode now because honestly, it's just really hard for me to talk, cut my lace, apply my wig at the same time. Listen, my husband and my daughter can tell you right now that I am the worst when it comes to multitasking. So yeah, I cannot cut my lace and talk at the same time. So I just went in with the got2b freeze spray and I'm just gonna use this at the very edge of the lace to melt it down. Again, this is another glueless product. Now I'm gonna go in with the blow dryer on the warm setting and I'm gonna cut the extra lace off. So I'm cutting off that extra lace and I'm gonna go back in with the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. This product, I feel like I've been kind of sleeping on it, to be honest with you, because I use it for my ball cap method, but I've never actually used it to lay down my wigs. And again, I'm going to go in with the got2b freeze spray just to melt down the edges of the wig. You can also use a melting spray. I do have one that I'm launching very soon, but I didn't want to use it in the video because I want to use products that you guys can actually get your hands on. But mine's coming up very soon, so keep that in mind. And guys, keep in mind what I'm using. It's literally a temporary hold. It is beginner friendly for people that don't want to use glue. But keep this in mind, don't be trying to go swimming, okay? Because it will probably come off your head, or if you go to the gym and if you're a person that sweats a lot, your wig might fall off. So this is just a temporary hold. My wig is on. I have not melted this down just yet. It looks freaking amazing. I know my makeup looks a little weird around the hairline. I do have to fix that. So I'm actually gonna go off camera and fix up my makeup just a little bit and I will be right back. And then I will decide on how I wanna wear this hair. I do have to recurl these curls because it's giving me absolutely nothing right now. Nothing. All right, so the wig is not really sitting the greatest on my head right now. So I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and I decided to do a side part. Now keep in mind, I am wearing a wig cap. I did not do the ball cap method because I wanted this to be beginner friendly. Personally, I do prefer to wear my wigs in the ball cap method, especially when I'm wearing a HD lace. But just to make it beginner friendly, I just went with a wig cap and you can clearly see it, but we're gonna fix it. So I'm going in with a hair wax that actually came with the wig. So I'm using their hair wax right now just to flatten it down. And I'm gonna take out some little tiny baby hairs. Honestly, just little natural looking ones. It's really not necessary on the wig because the hairline looks amazing. But I just want just a tad, just a little, okay? And I just went in with my little curling iron and I'm just gonna curl the hair under, and yes, I can see that wig cap. We're gonna hide it, don't worry. And I just went in with my comb to do something because again, I'm not the best when it comes to baby hair. So now I'm going in with my foundation powder and I apply it at the part and I go in with my got2b freeze spray because I kind of want the powder to dissolve. I don't want it to look like powder, and it helps to do that. So yeah, that is pretty much how it's looking. And I'm gonna melt this lace down now. So I'm gonna go in with my hair mousse, and I'm applying it to my little edge brush, and I'm going to brush the edges of the wig. So I don't apply a ton of mousse. I don't think it's necessary, just a really small amount. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair up in a little ponytail situation, because it's really hard to tie the elastic band when the hair is down. For me, that's just me. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie that elastic band. You can also use a scarf. You don't have to use an elastic band. And I'm gonna go in with my curling iron and achieve some little curls. So I'm not gonna go too crazy with the curls, but I do want to curl it up a bit because I didn't really like how the curls were looking. And this is pretty much the finished look. This is probably one of my easiest application because I really didn't have to do much to this wig to make it look good. The hairline was perfect, literally perfect, and it is melted down to perfection. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, please let me know. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you in another video very soon. I love you. Bye.